Yeah. Let's show him the new engine. We got it from the scrap yard. I mean, yeah, junkyard. Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be engine swapping my friend's Corolla. What's up? Yeah. Okay, what's next?
You take a break.
Break?
Yeah.
I'm not taking any breaks.
Put on gloves.
Gloves? You don't need gloves. Are you rolling? We want to take this off because there's this line right here connected to the starter. Or I don't know what I'm saying, but we're taking a lot of things off. Oh yeah, baby, what did we just get done with?
Don't ruin the video.
Got all those out. We basically got almost all of the wiring harnesses out. Oh my god! Oh yeah.
Bro, I'm in the hood.
Okay, that was a funny. That's why you get the light on.
It's Uncle Kaviko, you stay pulling the motor right now. Oh, Uncle Kaviko right here, you stay pulling the motor right now. Guaranteed, fuck gumiche. I'm not gonna run. Yes sir. Oh, it's Uncle Kaviko.
What did you call me?
Uncle Kaviko. Guaranteed, ba? Automatic. Yes sir. Yeah. All the Tacoma guys are bald and be like, oh yes sir.
Is it gonna show better on the screen on the computer?
Whoa, whoa. Oh, yes, Uncle. You know, we'll just throw some music over this. They'll be fine. No one here.
Hotel music.
From the mountains to the ocean, to the leeward side.
It's not gonna be no, leave it on. Can we just have it here? Okay, wait, I'll let it.
Sorry,
Huh?
Ooh, that. Good thing I tightened those chains, because I was wondering able to do that.
Oh. Yeah, some just more? Like that. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Coming up on that.
Yeah, you're good. It's clear. Let's get out of the way. Oh, never mind. Wait, how the fuck are we gonna pull this shit out? Damn. Wanna get this? Yeah. Okay, guys. We are so tired from pulling an overnighter, and yeah, here's the new engine.
You gonna go slow motion?
Yeah.
Don't eat too much of that.
What the fuck are they married? It actually seems to work pretty well.
Yeah. Dang.
Dude, was well, buy one get one free. So like, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Whatever.
This has become our thing. We gotta wait for Adam to put. We gotta wait for Adam then.
You wanna go down lower?
Slow.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Go. It's kind of wet.
Touching on this side.
We're touching on this side.
Yeah, switch on the side. Got it in.
Jaden, are you excited?
Huh? Yeah, it needs to be twisted this way.
It needs to come that
This
way.
needs to come to this side.
We're almost there, boys.
Why did they make this motor with so little room?
It's your economy.
Those are kind of lined up. Wait, how's the back? Oh, dude, that's getting full.
What are you talking about?
The engine mount in the back, the rubber part is like bending.
Wait, what?
Overnighter.
Nope. Nope.
No.
Nope.
Home. No, he's biking.
Or is that
This
part
one?
there?
But it needs to connect to the wiring harness somewhere.
This?
Huh?
Bow.
Bow.
Just don't look inside.
And the freaking AC. I think that.
Hey, it's still Monday.
Into the island zone.
What the fuck are you doing?
Move.
You move.
Oh, you got it?
Look at Adam.
This
Oh,
one.
never mind. I thought it would slide off.
Would,
Eliminate, I challenge you to an engine swap without your mechanic. You have
Jake,
two.
Andy. I challenge you to an engine swap in under 6 months. It's gonna go in.
There.
Spray paint. Where's the
Yeah.
Nature shots.
It's upside down.
Fuck you.
Oh wait, this is oil. Go again. Go again.
Holy Jesus.
Oh my gosh,
Holy
that idol.
I don't know. Maybe like a misfire. Like maybe one of these connections was bad or something leading to the ECU.
Oh man.
Hey, manual swap.
Yeah, manual swap.
project.